We're so blessed to have, I told you earlier na meron kaming accountant, meron akong lawyer that structured the business for us. And guess how many times we pay taxes? Ang daming refunds, ang daming tax benefits, ang dami talaga. Because you know what? One of the reason why the tax laws are there is for us to benefit from taxes. That's why it's written. Pero we sometimes, dahil nga sa hindi tayo aware, it becomes burden to us. See how the deductions are created, the tax credits, tax benefits, tax shelter, ang dami. We are being encouraged to put a business na it doesn't necessarily be big. You can start a small business, but we never even look at that horizon. Majority of us, para nakatutok lang tayo sa work, we just have to work, 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 and then that's it. That's how our lives here in Canada. Parang ganon.